I was staying in another place and my grandfather asked me to come back and stay here. So I did and started doing it up a little bit. Had my 3 children here and a couple of my grandkids were born right over here.
With Muri, I knew that she actually come in for BFC, so that's building financial capabilities, and she actually needed TPK housing too, and I knew myself that Muri's house needed to be done.
We're in a fine position where we know our community, we're all affiliated to our maraes, we know all our maraes, all our people, so we've got that advantage, put it that way, of helping our people.
I either replace the fireplace or get a heat pump in the windows and the bathroom.
And what difference does it make to you since those things?
Oh, heaps.
Yeah?
Heaps. It's warmer. Just got to switch on the switch for the heat. Power hasn't gone up much, so you don't notice it. And I'm the only one out of all of us that got a bath. Everybody's got showers and they all come in for a bath.
But it was actually the back step that I identified as well because of it being so dangerous. The deck actually was away from the house. It wasn't good for them to walk down the steps, but that's how they were getting to hang their washing out, is through that back step.
I can sit out here. The kids like being out here.
Get sunny.
And especially in the mornings, it's pretty good here.
Oh, I think what we've done for Muri has been a big help. And with it looking so nice now, I think she will keep on trying to get the puti or trying to get the awhi from Whānau to keep on doing the renovations on the house.
I would say a lot of that success rests upon the shoulders of our workers, our kaimahi. To me, they are the kanohi of Kōkiri out there doing the work.
She's way more happier now than what I've seen her for a long time. And like she said, I just love my house now, hora, you know, it's awesome what you fellas have done for us. So yeah, she really loves it, yeah. And it's good for her whānau as well.